What's going on? It's Ryan. I know this video is long overdue. Some of you maybe have forgotten about me. Some of you maybe have been waiting. Some of you maybe might be watching this video as your first video on this channel, so welcome. And just want to get a video up showing that yes, I am in Coeur d'Alene, North Idaho, and been here for about a month now, and very pretty. Definitely been taking the month to get settled down. We still got snow and a little view of the lake here, and downtown's over there. So definitely just wanted to get a video up. We got snow last week. Garage sales are still scarce, or yard sales, whatever you want to call them. And I'll be getting some videos up soon here, but it's still cold up here, so we're still waiting for that, and haven't had the time to really go thrifting or anything, but thinking about getting into some storage units here, so we'll see what goes with that. So just wanted to get a video up letting you all know I'm still alive, and without further ado, let's go check out some sales. Are we able to look around? Yeah. It's fine. All right.
Well, at least it's dry and it's nice out here today. Yeah.
These are all kind of vintage hats.
Yeah, I dig it.
They run from 5 to 10.
5 to 10? Okay. If I got a whole bunch, would there be any of a deal at all?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see what I can find.
No, that's Mom's.
Would you be willing to do 3 on each of these?
Let's see which ones they are. Sure.
Okay.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18.
There's 15. Let me find 3 here. Two. I think that's 3. Yep. There we go. I'm just gonna put these in a bag. I'm gonna keep looking around.
I'm buying all that stuff.
Oh, this is your pile? All right, no. Apologize for.
I counted 70.
70 of them?
Look. That's 100 good ones in there. I couldn't find any.
Yeah, I haven't seen anything besides like Saturday Night Fever or something.
I don't know if there are or not. I'm pretty sure I got these one of them at some point. That's terrible.
All right. Is things in here too or no? Just over here or?
Yeah, I'm just we're slowly working these off.
Oh, okay.
This is it now.
I was gonna ask you, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to get rid of my cookies.
How much are your records?
They're $2 a piece, I think.
Okay. I'll give you $2. Will you do that? $1 each for these? Is that cool?
Sure.
All right. There you go. Thank you. Appreciate it.
No. Come on.
What do you have on these hats?
Are those yours, Mel? Those hats? Oh yeah. I don't know, 75 cents each.
That works for me.
Okay.
I'm gonna
I'll
keep.
take $1 for both of them.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that's.
Oh.
For $1 for both?
Oh,
I was gonna give you $1 for each. You can. It's fine.
Okay.
It's fine. Well, it's already in your hands, so.
Morning.
Good morning. How you guys doing?
Good.
Yeah. Good.
Morning.
Good morning.
I'm on my way to get a license right now. I've been waiting since December.
Oh yeah, yeah. I just sold my dad's. It was a '79 one-ton, but we plowed snow with it for 30 years, so it needed about 10 grand to rebuild it.
Oh, yeah.
Because I was going to restore it, and I just could hear my dad screaming. I only paid $7,200 for it new. So I sold it to a kid in Montana, and he was going to completely restore it and give it to his dad.
Oh, yeah.
So I said, just send me pictures. I mean, I cried when it left.
I bet.
But now I got my Chevy stuffed in the back. It's not going anywhere. I'm still plowing snow. I'm not moving.
All right, ladies, have a good day.
Have a great day. Thank you.
I didn't want to break a rule and walk out of here without something.
Hey, Jason. Just 1 second.
Buck, yeah. It's like I'll give you $1 for it.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Morning. How you doing?
Good. Enjoying the sun.
Yeah, it's a great day.
I like the wind that was sticking out.
Uh-oh.
The way to use them for planter, putting pots in them.
Well, hi. Good. Well, this is the last of our stuff.
Did you guys sell your house?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep, we sold it.
Okay. Went above asking price, didn't it?
A little bit, not a whole lot. They said they could get back up on it. We had,
What do you have on your binos?
they said it $5 for both, is that good?
Okay.
But they had, other people and then somebody else who was interested but didn't put in an offer.
Yeah. Thank you.
Great. I'll talk to you guys later. Yeah. Thanks for coming by. That'll explode this one.
What are you asking on this guy?
$50.
50? Okay.
Dog, you need to go
Are
inside. You're
the
annoying me.
games are you're holding separately or?
Yeah, he wants 10 each for these,
Oh, okay.
so $80.
What do you got there? Okay, I'm gonna hold off and think about it for right now.
Okay.
Right.
On everything.
You're-
Or?
Yeah, probably right now. I'll probably be more like at 50 for everything.
Okay. No, he said, my son just told me, he says, he wants to put them on eBay because he says these will go for 10 each.
Yeah.
Because of what they're selling for, and then that goes for 50. So he said,
Gotcha.
okay, I'll grab them.
Yeah. Yeah, eBay prices compared to yard sale prices, I suppose.
Schoolwork to do?
It depends, yeah.
I didn't know what schedule was down there.
Dollar items definitely better at yard
Yeah,
sale.
yeah.
If it's higher dollar items, then eBay's
They'll be
the
up.
way to go.
Yeah. Let's see what else.
You think so? I haven't put much for that. Found a couple things I can use for you now.
Yep. Well, you have a good day there.
You too. Thanks for coming by.
Okay.
The brake's gone. Yep.
Are you taking that with?
He said he wants it now. Yeah.
Oh, really?
He's gonna put it on eBay. Unless you want it.
What? Do you know if he'll take 60 for everything?
Yeah.
Do 60? All right. Cool.
No.
You can just set it right there. Sweet.
All
That
right.
works for me.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah. With help here now, I can go get a sword slayer on.
What are you gonna take on your belt buckle?
Which one is that one?
Crown Royale?
Ah, that's $1.
Dollar. Sounds good to me. You have any others, you said? or
There's probably more out back.
wherever.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep on looking around.
Well, I don't know, 6. Six-ish. I was selling 7, 6:45 to 7 last night. Well, I was taking charts on it and everything, covering everything out.
Are you bringing more stuff out, or are you?
We'll be bringing more out through the day and
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Okay.
When the owner of the house gets here, he's working today. When he's here tomorrow,
Yeah.
he'll just keep hand trucking out and pile up and make the tables look like crap.
Yeah. Sounds
Pile it
good.
on there.
Yeah. I go out picking and stuff, so
Oh, okay.
anything, yeah. So anything like that, I'm just into go. So and
My storage units. And
yeah, that's also what I might be getting into too. I just moved up here a month ago, so
Oh,
I normally do like garage sales and everything, but yeah.
the storage units right now are getting out of hand.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not the buyers. Well, there's some of them, but it's going all online,
Yeah.
and it's hard to see what it is. So there, the prices are just getting driven up.
Yeah, so they just take a picture and then it's just like
A couple of pictures.
everyone's bidding on it.
Yeah.
So,
If you can't see it very well right off the pictures, it sucks to buy anymore.
yeah.
But
Yeah.
there's still a few live ones happening every now and then.
Yeah. All right. Well, keep my eyes out. Probably these 3 guys here. What you would want for those?
Oh, $5 worth?
Do 3?
Okay.
For each?
fine.
Buck each.
I'm not gonna cry over it. Yeah.
Just
Do you buy to resell or?
pretty much, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Collect, trade, all
Perfect.
that. Yeah. So
I like to leave meat on the bone for somebody else that wants to do it.
yeah.
I want to get rid of it. Well, this guy here, he wants to be done with the business.
Yeah.
And it's
Yeah.
full back there, or it was full.
Yeah. Yeah. No, I have a YouTube channel and everything, and yeah.
Oh, right on.
So yeah.
Are you going now?
Yeah.
Right on.
Yeah. Is that all right? Is that all right if I use? Yeah. I cut every.
I saw it a long time ago.
All right. So you're saying tomorrow?
Yeah, we'll be out tomorrow.
Okay. And there'll be more stuff.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Like I say, I'll have more out this afternoon too.
Okay. I might come by.
Sweet.
All right. Have a good one. Thank you.
Take care.